नमस्कार, आज हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कैंपस में आए हुए हैं। यहाँ पर आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन ने एक वॉकेथॉन और रन ऑर्गेनाइज करा है, जिसमें काफी सारे जजेस और लॉयर्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। आज हम उनसे यहाँ बातचीत करेंगे और उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में जानते हैं। मैम, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड SCBA टू कंडक्ट दिस फर्स्ट एवर वॉकेथॉन?
It's basically we have seen that in SCBA lawyers' lives are very stressful.
Yeah.
So doing a walkathon and marathon gives people coming together. So that's what we are looking for.
From what I understand, the reason behind it is that it should definitely come across to people that the justice is not meant for a particular section. Theme has been said that justice is meant for all, and therefore anyone who knocks on the door of Court of Justice will get access to it.
The Supreme Court Bar Association has come together, integrated themselves at a lawn. All the downtrodden and the people of the country are looking for the justice, and that's what the SCBA's initiative is to run.
Just as to arise them of the fact that the justice which is crawling at this point of time in the Indian judiciary system should start walking, if not running.
Initiative and the message is very clear. Justice for all. Doesn't matter what strata you come from. Doesn't matter which personality you have. Doesn't matter who you are. Justice is for everybody.
Right. Also, there's Delhi pollution, which is increasing day by day, and to conduct a marathon or walkathon in that. So, what's your take on this, ma'am?
Say in Delhi, you can't really do it in the good months. There's one thing is that, of course, we can't ignore the AQI. All of us have those air purifiers at home and all of that. We don't stop living as such, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, for a couple of hours, it's a good cause and it's a good community. I decided we can turn up for this also, right?
I think to a large extent, what we hear in the reports or what we know about the pollution, we tend to feel concerned with it. Does that mean that we should not stop doing things? I think probably not, and it's a message that beyond all the obstructions that the city faces, there is still space for all these activities, and people should come forward and do it, because otherwise how else would you live a normal life?